All right, so question number 8 is very easy question. So here we're using the vertical line test, right? So you might want to use a ruler here. So I'm going to use a ruler. So what is the vertical line test? So I'm in graph 1, right? So the vertical line test is to make sure that every vertical line is intersecting the graph only once. And for graph 1 is only dots, right? So the dots represent the graph. Right, so this is intersecting only once, this is intersecting only once, this is only once, this and this. So you see all the points, you don't have 2 points on the same vertical line. So the obvious question here, it would be yes, it is a function. All right, so this is yes. Similarly over here for graph number 2, you see if I move along the vertical line along the graph, you see only the vertical line intersect the graph only once. All right, so again this is another function. Yes, now for graph number 3, you can see, for instance, this vertical line is intersecting twice the graph, once here and once here. So the answer would be a no then. All right, this is not a function. The vertical line test is only once. Any vertical line intersect the graph only once. All right, graph number 4 is similarly here. For instance, this vertical line is intersecting this shape twice, right? So definitely this is not a function. All right, for graph number 5, we have, for instance, this line intersecting the graph twice. All right, so done, is not a line, is not a function, sorry. All right, and similarly here we have this function here. Well, it's not a function, this graph here and the vertical line intersecting twice. All right, so once here, once here. If one line only intersect the graph more than once, is not a function. So this is not a function. All right, so that's all for this question.